What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making an oven-baked pot roast. We hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need chuck roast, carrots, celery, yellow onion, potatoes, beef broth, beef bouillon cubes, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, accent, and parsley. We're going to start by chopping our celery. Next, we're going to peel and chop our carrots. Slice a yellow onion. Season roast with seasoned oil, black pepper, accent, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and parsley. Flip your roast and repeat the previous step, and make sure the sides of the roast is seasoned as well. In a measuring cup or bowl, add 2 cups of beef broth and season with seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, parsley, and accent. In a skillet, preferably a cast iron, add 2 tablespoons of oil and sear your roast on each side, including around the edges. Place your roast in an oven roaster or a Dutch oven. Add 2 cups of beef broth. Add 1 beef bouillon cube. Add 2 cups of water. Bake your roast for 3 hours or until tender. After an hour and a half, add your potatoes and vegetables and add 2 cups of beef broth if needed. And there you have it, oven-baked pot roast. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.